How can Omonile become a hired and become a king? These are talks before. School will not law. Then is there any background checking on the person?
There was this old man, Tokunle, Lori Kunle, and a king in Orile Ifo. But she shepe fun lo se gbogbo e. At the end of the day, the police got involved, and the king right now is in prison. I don't know if he has gotten his bail. Eléyìí, gẹ́gẹ́ bí òjíṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run. How do you see this? And what's the message we have?
It's in that book. Oh, I know where there are some traditional rulers in Ogun State will be removed the throne and commit suicide. Is there?
Wow.
It's in that book.
So this case, as it is going now,
They will have to dethrone him. How can Omonile become a hired killer and become a king? These are talks before. School will not law. Then is there any background checking on the person? How do you think here? Kimolola Kimachepe fún ṣé mo bí? Àwa bí fàdúrà ni tó bá ṣẹ̀ mí, màá gba bí lọ. After a while, tí ò bá pè mí, màá pè. Let's reconcile. Ó ní ká bínú, ká má ṣe ṣẹ̀, ká má jẹ́ kí oòrùn. So those are fake things. Wọ́n ṣì gbọ́dọ̀ máa mú o.
so the message are from you.
Yeah, the message is that more is about coming. Because government, àwọn tó bá àwọn gómìnà pa àwọn yẹn, bá àwọn èèyàn táìmù wọn yẹn. Àwọn Daniel, àwọn a lot of terrible things happen in Ogun State. How they kill Saula, kill all these people. Our boys went on all low. Táwọn yẹn bá wá dókè tán, àwọn lọ bá wẹ ẹrántí o, kí lè rántí. Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ mo ló pa Délégí wa? Àwọn èèyàn náà fún lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Then àwọn kan ló pa
Dípò dínà,
Dínà.
Oṣó Williams.
Àwọn yẹn ṣe rìn kiri. Ó ti eléyìí títí Chief Judge of the Federation sí.
Bọ́lá Ìgè.
Wọ́n máa tú jáde, ó dẹ̀ máa bójú PDP jẹ́. Torí gbogbo àwọn tó ṣèkà inú PDP náà wà. Ṣèkà àwọn kan ló pa Sáró Wíwà tó ń jòkó tó ń jẹ́ Fúlàní pé ó máa dí wa lọ́wọ́ tó lọ sọ́sọ́dọ̀.
We can see joys on you and him as well. This moment, the sign of love and concord between two great men of God. That moment,
Thank God's great. I don't know if I'm great or not great because I sleep, I eat, I go out like a normal person like you. You know, I told you, tó bá kí ẹgbẹ́ ẹkúṣẹ́ Olúwa, turn it down. Because ọba ní kọ́ ọmọ ẹlọ́mú rọ̀bù wá fẹ́ fi wọ́ ẹsẹ̀ tó bá ti mú dé. So ọmọ ẹ tó lè ṣeré jáde lọ. So kò yẹ kéèyàn kan di mọ́ra ẹ̀ pé à ń ṣiṣẹ́ Olúwa. Gbogbo mi tó yẹ kó ti bá ìyàwó ẹ̀ gbé pọ̀tù. Tó yẹ kó ti rẹ́ ewédú tó ń jòkó gàgàgà sí pálọ̀. Dáàdì. Wọn ò ní pẹ́ dì ní bread. Ẹgbẹ́ orúkọ tó pè é dáàdì. Èyí tó lè dì. So kí ló fa ariwo, kí ló fa mess ní Alágbọ̀n?
So the one we had today, how would you rate it compared to what we have been having in the past years?
Per the printing of the predation, perfect. It was dragging. I brought in some journalists in when we went to start this thing. It goes to a point, will it be possible? So it's my job. It will be easy. The people that work the miracle, they live in the same room with me. So Kehinde Akinwale Tibetan, my daughter, and Shegun Tibetan, they work the miracle. That's my young lawyer, baby lawyer. So he worked the miracle out. Then we now brought in the professor. So the professor says, you know, proofreading, everything. And he knows people who can help me to do the printing. I just wired the money to him. But we met in Canada before. That was about 10 years ago in a revival. So when they saw the output, he fell in love with me. So since then, today he's here with his wife. They brought the prediction since Thursday. And the ceremony made it too. I've been here since Thursday. So we start praying on it. And we did night vigil and everything was fine.
so you talk of prophecy. I will still say what I said earlier. You are one of those people that always have accurate prophecy. How do you receive it?
Thank you very much. You know, a madman is not always mad. There will be a time we'll be listening to radio and he says, madman. No. When you look at Jeremiah 1:1-10, then Deuteronomy 8:18, Deuteronomy 29:29, then Amos 3:1-10, He said, I will send my word through them. So whatever he asks you to go and tell the person will tell, the story will be true. But if you add into it, it will not be fact again. You know what I'm saying? So the Lord do arrest us and tell us what we are to tell the people. But don't add your own and don't remove out of it. And don't be proud with it, because they can take it away from you. It's a talent. So whatever is shown to me, I've been like this since 1970. So I'm not young in it. And when you look at the book of 1 Kings 13, the old prophet and the young prophet, you see what happened to them. So I can't say I'm old, but I cannot say I'm young in the job. But I thank God that He's still using me up to 65 years. I know He will use me up to 110 before I will go.
So this book, sir, how will it get to the public?
Yeah, the state governor. I will DHL everything to them. I will DHL everything. Even the president of America, I will drop it myself. The Britain in 10 Downing Street in UK, I will drop it myself. They will all have their copy.
So you are taking it to the world?
Oh my God, I'm going to put it on the internet now, so everybody can see.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.